lovely, lovely people. Thank you so much for tuning in again today, and thank you so much for your support for making this channel go far and wide. Yes, you are the real winner. Yes, my people, we do love and appreciate you. God bless you for this great work that you're doing. To share this video, like the video, and make it viral. Thank you, and for also giving us a thumbs up to let us know that you appreciate this video. Thank you so much. We really appreciate you guys. You guys are simply amazing, to be honest. Yes, my people. Once again, if you are just meeting us for the first time, this is Speak Network. We are here to bring you all the latest news, authentic and most reliable news that you can ever get around the globe and within the hour. But we do well to bring you every news regarding Nigeria and mostly political, around the states, all the states in Nigeria. And whatever is happening politically, this is the channel to always tune to, because you are sure to get the news as it happens within the hour. Yes, my people, we are back in Edo State again, and what is going on in the state. We all know that a couple of days ago, Mr. Ganduje, who is the chairman of the campaign council for Edo governorship election in the APC camp, has actually said that they were going to isolate Rivers State and Wike himself, who is the executive governor of the state. And we all know that Wike himself is the chairman of also the campaign council for Edo State in the PDP camp. So Ganduje has actually said that he was going to isolate Rivers State and Mr. Wike himself. But we all know that Wike is not the easy type. He's the outspoken type, and hence he was put in that position because he's a no-nonsense man and is ready to go far to make sure that things happen the way they are supposed to occur. So he has actually replied Ganduje, and that is what we've got here today. He says, Edo 2020, you are barefaced looter and known criminal. PDP replies Ganduje over plot to isolate Wike. So yes, my people, let's just delve into the news straight away, and let's come back to analyze this and see where we get from here. But we do want you to leave your take on this channel and also give us a thumbs up to let us know that you appreciate this news. Yes, my people, let's go into the news. The People's Democratic Party, PDP, has described the chairman of the All Progressive Congress, APC, National Campaign Council for the Edo governorship election, Governor Abdullahi Ganduje, as a barefaced treasury looter who has no moral rectitude to speak on corruption. The PDP, in a statement on Monday, described as a huge irony that the governor Ganduje could accuse the opposition party of corruption. This was in response to Ganduje's earlier comment that the APC will isolate Rivers State governor and chairman of the PDP Edo National Campaign Council, Nyesom Wike. The party described Ganduje as one who has become a butt of national shame after being seen on viral videos stuffing his robe with gratification in foreign currency to accuse the PDP of corruption intentions in the Edo State governorship elections. It is a paradox that an individual who earned himself the disgraceful public sobriquet of Gandola after being caught collecting gratification would attempt to accuse others of having intention of looting the treasury of the state. The PDP points out that it is only in a party like the APC under a Buhari presidency that such a tarnished individual can be selected to speak in public, let alone lead a governorship election campaign. Apparently, Governor Ganduje and other APC leaders are so used to looting public treasuries that such is his first mental direction after his inauguration to lead the Edo governorship campaign. Governor Ganduje has further confirmed the real intention of the APC, which is to use their morally embattled candidates Osage Ize Iyamu, of course, bird of the same feather, flock together for their desperate effort to regain access to Edo State Treasury after Governor Godwin Obaseki liberated the state from the stronghold of APC Treasury looting godfathers. Our party invites Governor Ganduje to note that there is no free dollars for him and other APC leaders to loot in Edo State. Under the PDP, the resources of Edo State and indeed other PDP states belongs to the people and not to any political cabal and their godfathers. Of course, this is why the people of Edo State are solidly behind Governor Godwin Obaseki for firmly resisting APC looters. Moreover, Governor Ganduje, with his infamous Gandola video, is no match to the chairman of the PDP National Campaign Council for the Edo State election, Governor Nyesom Wike. Whereas Governor Wike is a highly respected, upright, honest, transparent, people-based and development-driven leader who is firmly in touch with the people of Edo State and enjoys their confidence and trust, Governor Ganduje, on the other hand, represents a leadership that is fraught with dishonesty, corruption, non-performance, and public shame. The PDP therefore counsels Governor Ganduje and the APC to quietly perish the thoughts of looting Edo State Treasury like they are doing in APC-controlled states, as the people of Edo State will humiliate them in the September 19th election. The statement reads. So, my people, that's the news reaching us, and that's what's been happening so far. Ganduje accusing Nyesom Wike of corruption. This is so funny, my people, because now we all know that one person, one governor that has been upright and honest in everything he does is the Rivers State's governor, Governor Nyesom Wike. And it's been said. We all know the allegation that's been put across to Governor Wike. But this man, people know, everyone know, majority of the people of Edo State and even River State knows that this man is an upright man. We don't understand what Ganduje, the game Ganduje is trying to play. But if we really look at both of them, Ganduje has a lot to answer to the public than even Nyesom Wike. We all know that he is in the All Progressive Congress. He is one of the All Progressive Congress governor, and hence he has been put in charge of Edo State chairmanship campaign council, for the gubernatorial election. And we all know that Buhari, the president of the country, has said that all the APC governors should come together to make sure that they deliver Edo State. But my people, is going to be a hell of a tussle between these two people, because the combination is really intriguing, because Nyesom Wike would not allow anything to happen. Nyesom Wike will stand his ground. This guy has always stood his ground, even against the president of the country. He has always stood his ground. We know the case that happened in River State, where the workers decided to go on a strike and all that, because, and we all know how it went down. And he even went as far to undermining what the presidency is saying, because he has the interest of his state. And as a PDP man, he is ready to do everything to deliver the state as well, to deliver Edo State for PDP as well, because it is in his best interest anyways to get the state continue in the PDP era. And again, for Governor Godwin Obaseki, that has before he even defected to PDP, he had to go to visit, to see Wike and discuss certain things with him. It's no news that he is the chairman of the campaign council for Edo State for the People's Democratic Party, because he has had a word with the very executive governor, Godwin Obaseki, and we know that both of them, they are in good terms, and obviously it's going to help him to actually actualize his dream as as the second-time governor of Edo State. My people, look at what is happening now. Ganduje has accused Wike of trying to embezzle the funds of or loot the treasury of Edo State, which we all know what is going on in the state. All Wike is trying to do is to make sure that the elections is free and fair as far as they are concerned. So that is the allegation, and Wike has PDP has responded to what Ganduje has said, that Nyesom Wike would be isolated and they are trying to loot the treasury of Edo State. Yes, so PDP has actually replied them saying that it's not the case, and they are going to be out there to make sure that the APC looters do not loot any treasury, do not loot the monies of Edo State. So that's what is happening at the minute, my people, and that is what is going on between the two parties and between Ganduje himself, who is the and Nyesom Wike, the governor of Rivers State. So my people, that's what is reaching us now. We want you to have your say. We want you to comment on the comment section, and also give us a thumbs up for this video to let us know that you appreciate what we're doing. Thank you so much, my lovely people. We do love and appreciate you. God bless you. Take care and bye-bye.